Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming a couple of everyday items into a powerful, versatile tool for your workshop. I'm starting with a paintbrush that's seen better days. It's a common item, but today, it will be the base for our new creation. I'm just cleaning off the old paint and dirt to prepare it for modification. I'll secure the brush handle firmly in a vise. Using a hacksaw, I'm carefully cutting the metal ferrule and bristles off, because we only need the wooden handle for our project. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After removing the bristles, I will trim both sides of the brush handle to make it a better fit. This new compact form will make it much easier to work with later on. Precision is key here to get a clean, straight cut. Next, I'm taking a bicycle tire valve stem. I'm going to carefully cut away the rubber surrounding it. The goal is to isolate just the metal stem and its components. Once the rubber is removed, I'll use pliers to unscrew and separate the inner core and all the small parts from the main valve stem. I'll thread the valve stem core through the hole in our prepared wooden handle. I'm adding a couple of washers, then securing it firmly with a nut. This setup is important because it will provide a stable connection point for our heating element and electrical circuit. I'm tightening it completely with pliers to ensure there's no wiggle, making it very robust. For the heating element, I'm going to repurpose a common item, a discarded battery. I'm opening it up to extract the carbon rod from the center. This carbon rod is an excellent conductor and will be the heart of our new tool. Just clean it up with a tissue to remove any dust. To make our tool precise, I'm inserting the carbon rod into my drill. With a sanding disc, I'm carefully sharpening the tip of the carbon rod. This creates a fine point, which will concentrate the heat precisely where we need it for effective soldering. After sharpening, I'll give it another quick wipe to ensure it's spotless. Now, let's assemble the first power cable. I'm taking a red electrical wire and stripping a section from each end to expose the copper. One end will be fed through the hole in our wooden handle and connected to the valve stem. This connection ensures electrical contact with our carbon rod. I'm securing it tightly and then wrapping it with red electrical tape. This tape is crucial for insulation and to prevent any accidental short circuits or shocks. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. On the other end of the red wire, I'm attaching an alligator clip. I'll also use pliers to bend the clip for a more secure and reliable connection. This will be our positive connection to the battery. Now for our negative connection, I'm using a blue electrical wire. Again, I'm stripping both ends and attaching an alligator clip to each side. These clamps will provide the necessary grip to connect the setup to our work tools. I'm connecting the red alligator clip from our handmade tool to the positive terminal of a 12V battery, and the blue alligator clip to the negative terminal. I'm going to touch the sharpened carbon rod to this alligator clip. Watch how it heats up instantly and glows. This homemade tool is pretty powerful. Let's try something more challenging. I'm placing a screw and nut on the wood, and I'll connect the blue alligator clip to the screw head. Then I'll touch the tip of our tool to the nut. Look at that. The nut glows red hot almost immediately, demonstrating the intense heat generated by this simple setup. This shows its potential for various heating tasks. I twisted these two red wires together, but the twist wasn't enough to make a secure connection. I'll use a soldering iron to connect the wires. I'm just touching the tip to this piece of wire and you can see it glowing and melting quickly. This compact tool can even melt small metal pieces. And for the final demonstration, I'm using it to engrave the word like onto this piece of wood wrapped in aluminum foil. It perfectly melts through the foil and burns into the wood. This DIY device truly proves that with a little creativity and some basic materials, you can achieve amazing things. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.